guys, Gil Torres with Exclusive Realty and Mortgage, and I'm so excited to show you our newest listing hit in the market this week. Located in a Kimpton Sawyer in the heart of the Doco, up on the 15th floor. The address is 500 J Street, Unit 1503. It has panoramic views overlooking the Tower Bridge, Sacramento River, the Golden1 Center, which is the home of our Kings, as well as the Capitol downtown.
This is the good life.
Offers tons of amenities, which include valet parking, your own private pool, your own gym, owner's lounge, private access tunnel to the Golden1 Center for any special events that are going to be there, and access to the private lounge in the Golden1 Center.
Roll the window down 'cause it's 80 degrees. No traffic on the road. Summer life is a breeze. We know. Let's go. Tastes so sweet and I can't deny it. Life's a treat. I just wanna try it.
Including your own private concierge downstairs with two well-known restaurants, which is Echo and Riggs and Punch Bowl, including Downtown Doco. Who doesn't know Downtown Doco with all the shopping, private champagne tasting, wine tasting, movie theaters just walking distance.
'Cause everything's alright. We're living our dreams. Yeah, this is the good life. Let the world slow down, the wonders here now. Under open skies, we all come alive. Let the world slow down, the wonders here now. Under open skies, we all come alive. We all come alive. This is the good life. Soak in the good vibes. Living out our dreams. We're wild and free. So drink up the sunshine. 'Cause everything's alright. We're living out our dreams. Yeah, this is the good life. Yeah, this is the good life.
So if you're interested, please reach out to me so I can schedule a private tour and show you what this condo has to offer.